Welcome to our roundup of the best air fryers on the market. Whether you're cooking for yourself, feeding a family, or just want healthier, crispy meals without the excess oil, you've come to the right place. These top-rated air fryers combine convenience, efficiency, and flavor, making it easier than ever to enjoy your favorite dishes at home. From compact models to large-capacity ovens, we've picked 5 outstanding options to fit every kitchen and lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Now, let's dive in and find the perfect air fryer for you. The first on the list is the Rooney 5L air fryer. This model is perfect for families or anyone who wants generous portions without taking up too much counter space. Its 5-liter capacity is ideal for cooking meals for multiple people, while the rapid air circulation technology ensures even cooking, giving you perfectly golden and crispy fries, wings, or roasted veggies every time. The digital touchscreen makes adjusting time and temperature simple, even for beginners who want professional quality results. The Rooney 5L is also designed for convenience. Its removable, non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and easy. Safety features like automatic shutoff and overheat protection provide peace of mind during cooking. Whether you're frying, baking, roasting, or reheating, this versatile air fryer delivers consistent results without sacrificing flavor. Overall, the Rooney 5L air fryer is a dependable, stylish, and efficient choice for everyday cooking. Next up is the Avalura 2.5L electric air fryer. Compact yet powerful, this air fryer is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or couples. Its 200-watt heating element provides fast, even cooking, and the 2.5-liter capacity is perfect for snacks, side dishes, and smaller meals. The adjustable temperature control lets you customize cooking for a variety of foods, from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. Safety and ease of use are priorities with Avalura. The Cool Touch exterior prevents burns, and the auto shutoff feature adds extra protection during busy cooking sessions. Its lightweight design and simple knob controls make it user-friendly, while the non-stick, removable basket ensures quick cleanup. While it may not be suited for large families, this compact air fryer is perfect for anyone seeking a convenient, energy-efficient appliance that delivers crispy, healthy results. Overall, the Avalura 2.5L is a reliable, compact, and practical choice for everyday cooking. Next, we have the Balashov Smart Air Fryer Oven. For those who want versatility and modern features, this air fryer oven is an excellent option. Its smart digital control system allows precise temperature and time settings via an easy-to-read LED panel. The 360-degree rapid air circulation technology ensures even cooking for consistently crispy results, while the multifunction design lets you roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and more, making it much more than a traditional air fryer. This model is also built to last and designed for convenience. The stainless steel body ensures durability, and the transparent viewing window lets you monitor food without opening the oven. Dishwasher-safe trays and a removable basket make cleanup simple. Overall, it's a versatile, intelligent, and high-performance appliance that brings professional-quality cooking to your kitchen. Next, we have the A-School 5-quart digital display air fryer. This model combines modern design with practical features. It includes a digital LED display, 8 preset cooking programs, and a powerful air circulation system to ensure even cooking and a crisp finish every time. The 5-quart capacity makes it perfect for family meals without taking up excessive space. The one-touch presets allow you to cook favorites like fries, chicken, steak, or fish quickly and effortlessly. The A-School also focuses on safety and convenience. The auto-pause function stops cooking when the basket is removed and resumes when replaced, preventing overcooking. Its non-stick, detachable basket allows for fast cleanup, while the quiet and energy-efficient operation makes it ideal for daily use. Overall, the A-School 5-quart digital display air fryer is a smart, practical, and dependable appliance that consistently delivers great results. The last one on our list is the Balashov 10L large capacity air fryer. If you want the ultimate cooking power in one appliance, this model is it. Its 10-liter capacity allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, perfect for families or meal prep. The dual heating system and rotisserie function ensure even cooking and golden, flavorful results for meats, vegetables, and baked goods. The smart touch interface with multiple presets makes it easy to adjust temperature and cooking modes for a variety of dishes. This large-capacity air fryer combines performance, safety, and convenience. The clear viewing window and interior lighting let you monitor cooking progress, while the stainless steel trays and drip pan make cleanup simple. Advanced safety features like automatic shutoff and overheating protection provide peace of mind, even when cooking large meals. Overall, it is the ultimate choice for anyone who wants professional-level cooking at home, combining large capacity, smart features, and outstanding performance in a single appliance. So that wraps up our list of the best air fryers available today. Whether you're looking for a compact model for quick snacks or a large capacity oven for family meals, these air fryers offer reliability, efficiency, and consistently delicious results. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check the description below for the latest deals and product links. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.